Hello, smart investor and billionaires viewers. You are welcome once again to our channel. Today, we bring you nothing but juicy offer. We are currently at Ogun State precisely. Before we dive into the property we have and all of those offers, I want you to meet the two gentlemen by my side. So I'm going to start from my immediate right. He's going to introduce himself.
Hello investors, my name is Williams Onoja, the CEO of Multi-Height Properties Limited.
You're welcome. And to my left is
Bello Morakin Yusuf, BMY Rite. Yes.
Thank you very much. So you've heard we have Mr. Bello and we also have Mr. Williams. When it comes to property matters and real estate sector in Lagos, these are some of the movers of the industry. So without further ado, we'll just dive into what we have today. Like what you are saying at the backdrop is an estate that is just being introduced to the market. So I would like them to give us a brief about the property. So to Mr. Bello, what can you tell us about this location that we are and what should we expect?
Yes, this very location is Ososa, Ijebu-Ode, Ogun State in Nigeria. So this is a pet garden estate.
All right, thank you very much. Mr. Williams, what should investor expect from Apex Garden Estate? Are there land to be sold? Are there land to be bought? Are there houses? What should they expect generally? Or should they just come and start picking their land free of charge?
Apex, as you all know, is here in Ososa. If you know Ososa very well, Ososa is the ancestral home of the late Ogun, the Nigerian movie actor who happens to die many years ago. And this place is in close proximity with the Nigerian breweries, the Solarin University, and Rite Foods. So you can be rest assured that investing in this place is a worldwide one. So in the next couple of years, this place will be appreciating.
Thank you very much, Mr. William. I believe that's what you all want there, all my smart investor. A property that you buy now, in few years' time, the property appreciates, right? So that will lead us to the next question. Mr. Bello, are there plots here to be sold? And if there are, what are the plot sizes and possibly how much are we expected to buy these plots?
Yes, thank you. There are three zones here. We have the playground zone, we have the commercial zone, and the residential zone. So we have commercial property, we have residential property. So for the residential property, we have 300 square meters, 500 square meters, and acre. You know, acre is 6 plots. So for the commercial property, we have 500 square meters.
Thank you very much, sir. So if I heard correctly, here we have 3 plot sizes which comprises of both residential and commercial, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so he said we have 300 square meters, 500 square meters, both residential. We also have 500 square meters as commercial. So are there different zones, like, or am I going to be buying 500 square meters here, then the next will be commercial plot, or they are being segmented?
Yeah, they are being segmented. The residential zone is quite different from the commercial zone and the playground zone too. You know, the playground zone will be recreational.
Wow, 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 awesome, awesome. It's already getting heated, my smart investors out there. So Mr. William, what are the various prices for these identified plots? What are the prices?
The 300 square meters is going for 1.1 million naira, while the 500 square meters is going for 1.45 million naira. Then the commercial plot is going for 2 million naira, all inclusive. I repeat, all inclusive.
Wow, fantastic. That means both students, both petty traders can actually own plots here because it is very, very affordable. It's one of the most affordable estates you can find around, you know. So like we know, Lagos is almost exhausted with land, you know, so that makes Ogun State the next hot spot, right? So you are there, you should pick up your phone and call the numbers showing on your screen, or you can send a direct message so that we'll help you secure as many plots here, or even acres, even hectares here as possible. So final one, Mr. Williams, what do you have to say? Final one for our investors out there.
I will advise you to invest right now, because the city you once you admire today was once undesired. But to invest today, why this place looks so unattractive, and you will not regret it in the future. God bless you.
Thank you. And your final one,
Yes,
Mr. Bello.
in addition to what I said earlier, today is 18th January 2025. We are launching the estate today. So there's probability that by next week, the plots or the acres will be on the high side. So it is better for you to pick up your phone now. Call the number displaying on your screen. Thank you.
Okay, so we've heard so much from my amazing guests today. And just to add, the landmarks to this wonderful estate includes the Solarin College of Education. We have Rite Foods, and we also have Flour Mill, amongst others. Okay, and the title of this property is register survey, not just a copycat register survey. It's actually a rare copy register survey. So you are rest assured when you came into this project, you can sleep with your both eyes closed. The best time to buy property was 10 years ago, and the next best time is now. Don't sleep on this. Pick up your phone, call us, and let's help you secure this one. Once again, smart investor, I remain Rector Sammy King, representing Next Gen Rite Development Solutions Limited.
Ciao.
Thank you.
Invest now.
See you on the other side. Bye-bye.